What is that smell? I'll tell you what it smells like. It smells like a 16-year-old, 230-pound lineman. This is his practice clothing. It has been covered in sweat for the last 6 hours straight. And now I want you to take that smell that you're thinking about and multiply it by about 100 times because it was wrapped in leather too, leather football cleats. Is that smell burned in your mind? Now I want you to think about what is your worst smelling laundry problem that you've had to deal with. Is it workout clothes? Is it clothes that smell like smoke after a bonfire, or maybe a uniform from a local fast food joint, or your husband's greasy, smelly work clothes? What is it for you? What's your least favorite laundry smell? Drop it in the comments. So I'm excited to share with you one of my favorite products. I've been using this for many years, and I use this in the laundry for these types of loads. It's the Norwex Odour Eliminator. And it is really neat how it works. It harnesses the power of enzymes and microorganisms to tackle really strong, unpleasant organic odors like food. Think about fish, right? Mildew, smoke, sweat, garbage, even urine. So enzymes as proteins, they act as biological catalysts to speed up chemical reactions to break down odor-causing organic matter really, really well. This product is one of my favorite additions to my laundry routine. I simply add 1 capful of this. That's it, 1 little capful to the softener section of the washing machine, and it tackles bacteria causing odors, whether it's the sweaty clothes or things I might have left in the washer too long, right? Because that can leave some pretty gross smells. And this leaves my laundry smelling fresh and clean and makes sure that it doesn't transfer to anything else in the laundry. But this isn't just for laundry. Sometimes we need to freshen other things, right? Without resorting to aerosol, air fresheners, plugins, all those things that are really full of chemicals. The Odor Eliminator works to remove the source of the odor rather than masking it or putting perfume on it. It's a great choice for you, for your family, even your pets. If you have birds, any of those things, this is very safe. It doesn't have any harmful chemicals like SLS, SLES, phthalates, synthetic dyes, gluten. It really makes it a safe alternative for your home. Now you can use it anywhere there's unpleasant odors. So bathrooms, kitchens, garbage cans, lockers, carpets, and of course, laundry, right? So I even use this on my dog bed. It's a concentrate, so you always want to use this diluted. This lasts for a really long time. So for example, I will mix 2 ounces of the Odor Eliminator in a 14-ounce bottle of water. And this is our Norwex Forever bottle. And you can use this to freshen up your room, your furniture, all the things. You can even use it with your Norwex mop system to get really fresh, clean floors. Now for carpet odors, that's another thing I use it for. You're just gonna add 1 ounce of Odor Eliminator per liter of rug shampoo solution, and that will really help to eliminate any unpleasant smells effectively in your carpet. And don't forget about the car, right? Spray it in your car's air conditioning system to get rid of some musty odors, and it will give your car a nice fresh scent. To do that, you want to spray this on the passenger side front floor, and that's where the intake is for the air conditioner. You always want to shake this well. You shake all enzyme products before using it. This has a crisp linen scent. It's biodegradable. And it's not only effective, but it's very environmental friendly. Plus the container is recyclable and it's made from ocean-bound plastic. It helps to reduce plastic in our waterways, which is awesome. So this is from plastic that was on its way to the ocean. Now, did you guys know that enzymes are not destroyed during the reactions and they can actually be used over and over again? So that's what's really cool about this. So once you spray it, it continues to work to continue breaking down any nasty odors. It leaves your home smelling fresh and your clothes smelling amazing. And when I do a load, like the sweaty workout clothes, right? I'm not going to worry about those odors being transferred to the other items in the washing machine, which is great. So I don't have to separate it all out. So I hope you guys have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.